Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with GarageBand if the application is unavailable. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and try to open up the official GarageBand application. If you cannot even go ahead and open up the application to get to this page right here, which is the main page, then I'm going to go ahead and show you what you can do to go ahead and fix this. But if you're opening up the application and you get stuck in the options right here, you cannot open up any of the instruments because you're getting an error, then you can go ahead and try the same fix as well. Basically guys, it all revolves around one thing: trying to reinstall the GarageBand application to find if the fault is in the application and trying to update it. So we're going to go ahead and open up the App Store right here, and we're going to go ahead and search for the GarageBand application. So search for GarageBand, and when searching for GarageBand, it's going to open up the application right here, and you'll see if there is an update available. So if you have an update that is available that you have not downloaded, it's going to appear right here. You'll see the update button instead of open, and you want to go ahead and update it. So basically guys, if you're updated to the latest version, you should probably have no problems if you have a stable internet connection, and open up the latest version. If your iOS is up to date, you should be able to open up GarageBand as it should work. If you still have problems, what you want to do is contact Apple directly. Go ahead and send them an email describing what the problem is and that you cannot open the application, and see what they tell you and what are the steps to follow. But yeah guys, basically that's what you do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.